8 facts about Albert Einstein. Number 1. Albert Einstein was born in Germany, but lived in Italy, Switzerland and Czechia, which was then part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, until he eventually moved to the United States in 1933. Albert never went back to Germany after moving to the USA. He didn't feel safe in Germany because of the events that led to World War II, and instead settled down to life in the American town of Princeton, New Jersey. Number 2. When Albert was a boy, he fell in love with physics when his father gifted him a compass. He was fascinated by the way the magnets moved inside of the compass, and thought about this when he was older and coming up with his theories around relativity. Number 3. Albert hated the strict discipline of the grammar school he attended as a teenager, and left aged 15. While at school, he excelled at maths, physics, and philosophy, but struggled with other subjects like languages. Number 4. But he still managed to write his first scholarly paper at just 16 years old. The paper was inspired by his compass, and discussed the force of magnetism. Number 5. Rather than becoming a physicist straight away, Albert first trained as a teacher. In 1896, he was accepted into the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, Switzerland. He originally failed the entrance exam, but was let anyway due to his exceptional maths results. However, this was on the condition that Albert also went to high school and finished his formal schooling. Number 6. After failing to find work as a maths and physics teacher, Albert decided to obtain a PhD in physics. He obtained this degree in 1905, a year that came to be known as Albert's Year of Miracles, because he published 4 groundbreaking papers in just 12 months. Number 7. One of the discoveries Albert announced in 1905 was his famous formula, E equals mc2. Albert figured out that matter, the tiny particles that make up everything in the world, can be turned into energy. The equation, E equals mc2, describes how this conversion can be achieved. This amazing breakthrough made the 26-year-old Albert Einstein a star. Number 8. The formula formed part of Albert's general theory of relativity, which he worked on over the next 10 years. Other scientists, for example Dutch physicist Hendrik Lorentz, had already been forming pieces of the theory. However, Albert was the first one to put the whole thing together. He published the complete